Hey guys, welcome to today's live stream. Today we have a user from the Instantly community who is looking to build a list of IT companies and software companies, looking for the CEOs and CTOs of those companies in the United States. So I figured rather than just comment on this post, I do a live video, show everybody else who might be curious how to build this list, and then we'll put it on our YouTube channel for you guys here as well. So we're live streaming to both Facebook and YouTube today. So if you have any questions, please chime in. Happy to answer them if we can on this live chat. If not, I'll follow up with you after this stream. So let's jump in and take a look here at my screen. We'll go ahead and share screen and let's make sure you can see everything. Okay, so we'll start by looking at the criteria from Anand. So he said 2,000 leads of CTOs and CEOs in the US with these revenue parameters and employee headcount parameters, and he wants them to be headquartered in the United States with valid email ID. So this is going to be pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is come in here and click on New Task inside your Coldlytics account. You can go to coldlytics.com to get to this screen and create an account under Sign Up. We're going to click on the Enterprise option in this case, and we'll set our country to United States. Then we'll click on Next, and under Industry, we're going to put Software, and we'll put Information Technology. That's what he was looking for in his post. We'll just confirm that here. IT and Services. Yeah, maybe we'll just copy that and make it exact. IT and Services. We'll add that in there, and we'll click on Next. Now, as far as decision makers go, he's specified that he's looking for CEOs and CTOs and probably owners as well. So why don't we just go owners and founders, and then we'll mention the title of CEO and CTO, and we'll add these in, and we'll click on that blue Next button, and we're going to now click on the filter option here. We'll go over to revenue and click on minimum. He said looking for, I believe it was 10. Let's confirm, was it 10 million? 20 million to 100 million in revenue. So we'll start at 10, and we'll just make a comment here in the additional notes to tell our team to do 20 instead of 10. We'll click on the next button and now go to filter, and we'll click on revenue this time, and let's confirm the revenue parameters. He said 20 million to 100 million. So large companies, large employee headcounts. This is what he's looking for. So I mixed these numbers up last time. We were looking at, let's go back a step. He was looking at 20 million to 100 million. So 20 million to 100 million. And then on his headcount step, let's see if I can get to the right spot here. Headcount, we are looking at 50 to 500 employees. Perfect. So we'll go from 50 to 500 employees and click on Next. So now we've set the parameters of exactly what he was looking for in this list. He's looking for valid email IDs, and that's exactly what we do at Coldlytics. He wants 2,000 leads. So let's come over here to our deliver step, and we're going to look at the data points that we're going to get for this list. So by default, we've always got the first and last name of the lead, the company name, their job title there, their direct email address, so not an info or sales at, this is the direct email address for that person, a link to the company website, and a link to their social media, LinkedIn profile, if we can find it. And then on the left-hand side, there's other data points that you can add, such as the address of the business, the phone number, their mobile number or direct dial, links to the company's social media, including options with the revenue and headcount. So we're going to include those because we've already mentioned that we want that as a filter. So naturally, we want that to show up on the spreadsheet too to see what those metrics were. We have a lot of other data points here that we could add, but we'll skip these for now. We'll click on Next, and we'll just put a note in here. Please limit min revenue to 20 million. And we'll click on Finish. And then we'll come over here and we'll call this live stream list. And we'll do 2,000 contacts, as he mentioned, one contact per company. If you were looking for multiple contacts per company, because you're looking at larger companies, let's say you're open to having 2 or 3 different contacts, you just edit this and say maybe you're up to 3 would be fine per company. Then we'll click on the blue launch button. And so this is now being allocated to our research team, and the team member from Coldlytics that is most experienced in this type of list is going to get assigned here to produce as many leads as we possibly can for you. So all of this research that we're going to conduct is done by humans, and it's going to be turned around in 24 hours during business days for you to get that list. So if you want to sign up and try this out, we do have a trial. I'll show you how to get there. We'll go to coldlytics.com. and click on the white sign up button. And then once you're logged into your account, at this screen here, you'll see across the top, there will be an option that says activate trial. And for $7, you can get 25 leads from our human research team in just 24 hours. So that's how to activate the trial. As far as a sample of the data goes, if you guys would like to see that, here's a quick list that we pulled for one of our users who's looking for plumbers in Allentown, Pennsylvania. This was originally done by marketing coach and author Josh Nelson. And so we've recently updated this list that he requested. This was about 2 years ago that he came looking for this list, and he still works in this niche today. These are all the email addresses that we found in Allentown, Pennsylvania for plumbers. Now, some of them are highlighted in red because although we found the email address, they're actually invalid. We test all these emails through Zero Bounce. So anything that's in red has actually been credited back to that user's account automatically and is no longer there. All of this information has been pulled from the public domain, so that's how I can share it on this live stream with you. The yellow emails were catch-all emails. That just means we can't verify if it's going to work or not until you send an email, in which case it would fall under a bounce-free guarantee. Anything that bounces, you can get credited back. In the process, just send us a message and we'll credit those back to you, no questions asked. So this is a quick look at our data, how Coldlytics works, and how you would build a list based on Anand's criteria here, looking for this specific kind of list. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do have additional questions, feel free to comment them or message, and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.